Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today me and Yoga will do the test, the mid test of critical speaking course. So I'll ask Yoga some question and Yoga will ask question to me. Okay, Yoga, what are the main environmental problems in your country?
So the main problem in my country is the people itself.
Oh, okay. This question is, why should people be concerned about the environment?
It is because it could affect their own life.
Next question, how can people protect their environment?
By not trashing around and not to destroy their planet.
Next question, do you think money should be spent on protecting animals?
Of course, because it's our responsibility to protect everything in our country.
Okay. Last question, do you think more should be done to protect natural beauty spots in your country?
Of course, because we do love our country and everything inside of that country itself. So
Okay.
it's become our responsibility.
Okay, thank you, Yoga. Now it's your turn to ask some question to me.
Okay, now it's my part. The first question is, what are popular toys for children in your country?
Popular toys, uh, popular toys for children in my country, I think it is Lato-Lato.
Okay. The next question is, have the toys for children changed over the last few decades?
Yes, of course it is changed over the last decade because kids nowadays like to play game on their device and their smartphone.
And do you think boys and girls like the same toys?
I don't think they like the same toys because it's different.
Okay. Do you think it's okay for a boy to play with toys made for girls?
I don't think it's not okay for the boys to play with a toy that made for the girl because it could make the boys be more feminist, I guess.
Okay. So what kind of game do children like most?
Game that children like most is a game where they play together with their friends and compete on it.
Okay. Do you think game and toys are educational for children?
Yes, it is educational because in game you can learn many things. For example, English for me.
The next question is, do you think it's okay for children to spend a lot of time playing game on their devices?
I don't think it's okay because kids could spend their time and anything else.
Okay, for the last question is, what benefit can children gain from playing game with other children?
What benefit can children? The benefit is they could improve their social skill.
Okay,
Yeah, I think that's enough from us. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.